Okay, page 21. Yeah, question 3. Establish the cost per cubic meter for excavation in normal materials exceeding 1.5. Now, new condition. It exceeds the 1.5 that we talked about previously, but does not go below 3 meters. All right, so that's a new condition. Now, before we start with the solution, think about it. Irrespective of what material we're working, and here we're making it easy, we're saying normal material. We're now working at a much deeper level, at 3 meters and above. So this machine is going to work at a deeper level. It's going to be digging deeper, which means it's going to take longer. It's going to be a little more difficult for the operator, and therefore it's going to impact on the costs. So excavating at depths also has an impact on costs. Now let's look at it once more. Right, machine for excavation, right, we've gotten bigger now. We've got a 0.75 cubic meter back actor, we've got a cost, we've got a resale, blah, blah, blah. Right, tire cost there. Okay, so up until there, we okay. Now let's look at this. We're not hiring the truck, we're buying the truck. So we own it. All right. Cost, resale value, there we go. Tire cost, not for a set. All right, notice here, it's a set because it's two different types, two different sizes of tire. Here, 6 cube, so 6 tires. Remember the table. All right, 6 cube, 6 tires, they all have the same size and each. All right, fuel used 40 liters per day for the truck. Oil 15 liters. There we go. The man to operate it, $10 an hour. Truck driver also $10 an hour. Bank man, this guy works with that guy, $8 an hour. Distance, we know how to do that. We know how to do that. We know how to do that. Oh, they gave us a charge. Fuel cost. Now, fuel cost. Both, and I've had a few hands up in the exam, few hands up in the test. Both vehicles use diesel. The truck and the TLB use diesel. So the fuel cost for both vehicles will be the same in terms of per liter because they're using the same thing. I'm not going to put your diesel cost for TLB one price, diesel cost for truck a different price. That don't make sense. They both go to the same garage to fill up. Why would they be different prices? So fuel cost, diesel, $3 a liter, cost of oil, same oil, both vehicles. And we got a bulking factor again of 35%. There we go, 8 hours, 5 working days, 8 hours per week, no standing time, and we know what to do with that. Right, so let's look at that solution. All right. No. Let's say TLB, right? Because we own both vehicles. We're going to be doing the same thing for the 2 different vehicles. All right, so let's differentiate with the calculations. We think TLB, owning costs, impact actor, in normal material, now we bring in those conditions, and the main condition here being the fact that we're working deeper, right? We're accommodating for the normal material, so there's no reduction in any form there. So let's proceed with these conditions and how accommodating for them in our calculation. Right, moving on to the other vehicle, the truck. Okay, tires for the truck. Notice, remember, it's not per set. It's a 6 cubic meter truck. So 6 meter cube is given to 6 tires. Right. When I say 6 tires per set, we're saying 6 tires at 4 sets. All right. Which gives us a price of therefore tire costs is equal to 21,600 over 15,000 and we get cost of 1.244 per hour. Right, so let's look at cost of truck, right, per meter cube. Due to a 35% bulking factor, your truck will not actually carry the exact amount in that bin. So let's work out how much is it carrying. Tip site is 3.0 kilometers away. Therefore, return trip will be 6.0 kilometers. I noticed in the previous examples, I've been writing stories, right? I'm talking, I'm writing sentences, apart from the calculations. All right, I do this so you can see where these numbers are coming from. And when you are answering this question, you will automatically have the same ideas. And in doing so, you won't leave out items, you won't leave out calculations. It may seem tedious that I'm writing stories and calculations, but ultimately it's there to assist you in understanding and assist you when you are answering, examination setting. And finally, total cost, as the question asks or instructs, cost per meter cube, including truck and back at right. So that's basically bringing in the two machines that we own and what it costs us per meter cube. All right. So remember, don't forget, it's a cost per meter cube. Cost does not include the profit unless I give it to you. So I'm asking you profit, then you know you got to add the profit onto this cost price.